हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल के एन एडनूर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जो बात करने वाले हैं वो लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे और जो हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बारे में बात करेंगे वो सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए होने वाली है। अगर आप बी टेक के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, एमबीए पीजीडीएम के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सभी लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम मल्टीपल ड्राइव्स को इस वीडियो में कवर करने वाले हैं। और सबसे पहले हम जेंसी के अपडेट के बारे में बात करेंगे। सो कॉग्निजेंट के जेंसी में आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पे 3 डिफरेंट हायरिंग ओपन हुई थी। एक तो फ्रेशर हायरिंग एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी 2025 वालों के लिए, एंड एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी 23 एंड 24 वालों के लिए, और प्रोग्रामर एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी जो कि 25 बैच वालों के लिए। और डिग्री का क्राइटेरिया यहाँ पे डिफरेंट था। अब सभी के लिए यहाँ पे हायरिंग अपडेट हो चुका है। कल मैंने जेंसी का जो बीटेक वाले स्टूडेंट्स का अपडेट है वो बता दिया था कि 26 और यहाँ पे लास्ट डेट हो चुका है। अब यहाँ पे फ्रेश जो एनालिस्ट ट्रेनी वाला है ना, अगर आपको इसके बारे में पता नहीं लग पाया कि इसमें 25 बैच वाले स्टूडेंट्स भी एलिजिबल हैं अप्लाई करने के लिए। लास्ट टाइम ओनली 23 एंड 24 बैच वालों ने किया था अप्लाई। अब अगर आप 25 बैच के स्टूडेंट हो तो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। प्रोसेस फ्रेमवर्क आपका क्या होने वाला है? फर्स्ट, रजिस्ट्रेशन, स्क्रीनिंग, कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट, एप्टीट्यूड असेसमेंट और इंटरव्यू। इसमें आपका टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू नहीं होने वाला है, ये आपका एनालिस्ट ट्रेनिंग का एग्जैक्ट प्रोसेस होने वाला है। ओके, सो एप्टीट्यूड असेसमेंट होगा, फिर उसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली एप्टीट्यूड को क्लियर कर लेते हैं तो आपका यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू होने वाला है। इस तरीके से पूरा प्रोसेस आपको देखने को मिलेगा। अगर आप बीसीए, बीएससी, बीए, बीकॉम वाले स्टूडेंट्स ना आर इनवाइटेड टू अप्लाई, तो सिंपली आपको करना है सुपर सेट पे रजिस्ट्रेशन आप कर सकते हो। और एंड डेट आपका होने वाला है 31 जो कि आप यहाँ पे क्लियरली देख सकते हैं, इसकी भी डेडलाइन एक्सटेंड हो चुकी है। तो गाइस, अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, अगर आपने अप्लाई नहीं किया बीसी और बीएससी वाली स्टूडेंट्स, तो आपको इसमें अप्लाई कर देना। दिस इज आल्सो अमेजिंग अपडेट फ्रॉम दी कॉग्निजेंट एजेंसी। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दी वन direct internship opportunity. Guys, Coca-Cola Mantra Challenge 2025 registration has been started. If you want to apply, then you can definitely apply. So who can apply in this hiring opportunity? First year students pursuing full-time second year MBA, like PGDM. Okay, so if you are pursuing PGDM or MBA, then you are eligible to apply. 25 to 27 batch students can apply for this hiring opportunity, and there will be no shortlisting. If you are applying this one by this hiring challenge, you can get the opportunity of 2.5 lakhs. Okay, now talking about the criteria and other criteria, how this rounds will go. So basically you can see registration has been started from 14th of May. It is already live. Okay, 30th of May brand like trivia quiz, it is non-elimination round, basically no mock test type round will be there. Now 15th of May live become a cook like ambassador. Okay, so basically 15th of May to 3rd June this round will be there, and simulation round and interview. So the last step will be 17th June, that is interview. If you clear the interview, then you will get the internship opportunity directly. Okay, top selected students get the internship opportunity, you can see, and certificate also you will get top 15 students, and participation you will get also. Okay, so guys, if you normally participate, if you register for this hiring opportunity, definitely you will get the certification. That will be helpful for a resume also. You can attach the certification that you have participated in the hiring challenge. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the latest hiring, which is from the Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is currently hiring for Android developer intern. And what are the criteria for this hiring opportunity? Location will be Noida, and duration 6 months, 25K you will get, and work schedule 5 days. Okay, so this is the hiring opportunity. As an intern you can apply, and what you have to do, you have to fill the application form. You can apply directly. Okay, so this is the direct hiring opportunity from the GFG. If you want to apply in this hiring opportunity, this is very important, like important hiring opportunity as a product engine from the live space. Okay, they are hiring for intern. As a product intern you can apply. What is the criteria? BTech or BRK students can apply from tier 1 or tier 2 colleges. Okay, SQL knowledge you should have, Excel knowledge you should have, Google analytical skills you should have. Okay, API production if you know, then it is added advantage. As a product intern you can apply in this hiring opportunity. Now talking about the next hiring, which is from the Workato. Workato currently hiring for intern software engineer AI solution. And what is the criteria? If you are currently pursuing a degree in computer science information system, then you can apply. You should have some knowledge in sales, post, REST API, data mapping, problem solving skills you should have. So you can apply. Like if you have relevant skill set degree, then you can apply in this hiring opportunity. Now, if you want like fresher hiring, experience hiring, or company wise hiring, then you can simply register or found it. Here, what you have to do, you can search by company, by job role, and you can mention the criteria also. also, like fresh or experienced candidates. So according to you, there will be so many openings like Naukri.com. So guys, you can register, you can create your profile. I have already created my profile, so you can create your profile also, and you can register here and you can apply in this one. Okay, we have opportunity from the Nike. They are hiring for freshers as a software engineer full stack, and this is full-time opportunity. Who can apply in this hiring opportunity? You should have some exposure like Java programming, Spring Boot, okay, SQL knowledge you should have. Okay, so this is technical hiring opportunity, guys, and education criteria: bachelor's degree you should have in CS and IT, so you can apply in Nike also. Next, multiple mega internship drive has been started from the Internshala. If you have not registered, you can register in this hiring opportunity also. Next, we have opportunity from the JST Impact. They are hiring for DevOps engineer as a SD1. This is also very recent and very technical opportunity. What is the requirement? Candidates have well-rounded experience as a DevOps engineer, computer science background, software development skills or experience you should have. Or if you have knowledge in AWS, MySQL, then it is added advantage. As a SD1, as a fresher, as an experienced candidate, you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity also. Okay, next we have opportunity from the Airbus. Airbus currently hiring for technical services engineer, and it is airframe system. Okay, especially airframe systems. So if you have knowledge in KPIs, follow up corrective actions, customers like handling, then you can definitely apply in Airbus also. Okay, next one walk and drive from the global data. This is conducted like this has been conducted like in Hyderabad. Okay, so basically, like what is the date? 23rd of May. It will be like, and what is the package? 2.75 to 3.75. 2 days ago, and openings normal only. BTech MBA freshers and experienced candidate can apply, and 23 and 24 batch student can apply, and it will be happening at like 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, so you can attend this walk and drive also. I hope you like this video. आगे की वीडियोस में हम और भी लेटेस्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.